Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM, and today I am going to show you a step-by-step instruction how to use OpenBOM and desktop CAD integration. For the examples of today's integration, I will show you two CAD systems, Solidworks and Autodesk Inventor. And here's the reason why I am going into these two integrations, because they give you two examples of how plugin can be installed differently in OpenBOM. Both CAD desktop integrations are installed as a CAD plugins. But before we go there, just remember that if you have any questions about OpenBOM integrations, your starting point is here. Pay attention. OpenBOM integrations. You go through the pricing integrations. So you can find all list of supported open integrations by OpenBOM, and you see that different integrations we support differently. Some of them are supported as an out-of-the-box plugin that you can download, that it's included in all subscriptions, but some of those integrations are actually custom and provided as a service. So let's switch gears and go to the integration. So first integration that I'm going to show is the integration with Autodesk Inventor. Now, Autodesk Inventor integration is available through Autodesk App Store. So to find Autodesk App Store, you find Autodesk App Store on Google. It's very easy, just to Google Autodesk App Store Inventor OpenBOM, and you will get this integration. So to get the integration, you download this integration, and integration will be downloaded. Requires your signing to the OpenBOM, to the Inventor App Store account. So after signing to the account, you will get application installer downloaded, and you getting actually MSI, the MSI installer that you can just run, and after installation of the installer, you will get into Autodesk Inventor. The plugin will be installed in the Autodesk in Assembly Toolbar. So in Assembly Toolbar, you get a plugin, you get the information about how to configure plugin with the setting page, and you get the tools how to use plugin. So those tools are more or less the same for all integrations. You have settings, you have functions to create and update BOM. So I will show you these functions actually in SolidWorks in the same video. So now let's go to the second integration, is integration with SolidWorks. Integration with SolidWorks is available from OpenBOM integration panel. And the integration panel, when you sign in OpenBOM, you get this integration panel, and here you have link to download SolidWorks plugin, and that's the one that you need. We are improving this user interface and adding new guidance and information and manuals, but so far that's what you get. Now you download the plugin and you install this plugin in SolidWorks, and after you install this plugin in SolidWorks, you have a plugin installed in SolidWorks, and you have OpenBOM toolbar inside of SolidWorks. And here I will go to I'm going to show you a couple of examples how to use this integration. So first of all, you need to run settings, and in settings you need to put your account, and if you don't have account, there is a button to link to create account, and you create account in OpenBOM, and you put account and password here. So once you're done, you can actually use this link, create and update BOM, to create bill of materials. And for this specific example, I will use a simple part list. So I will create a part list for this small caster wheel assembly. Now I will demonstrate you one of the most interesting features, how OpenBOM can, in addition to bill of materials, upload your CAD files to one of the cloud storages. The cloud storages that we have are actually standard cloud storages like Dropbox, Google, Onshape, and Autodesk. So interesting enough, you can use Google Dropbox, but you can also use special cloud storages like Autodesk and Onshape. And I will show you my favorite example of how you can upload data from Solidworks to Autodesk cloud storage and use Autodesk Viewer with Solidworks files. In order to do it, you need to authorize this storage by clicking on authorize and placing a password. So when I authorize, we're getting to the same authorization application for Autodesk, and we're getting back. So we authorized, and now I can run generation of part list, but also uploading SolidWorks files to the Autodesk cloud storage. So let's run it now and create bill of materials. So as you can see, OpenBOM is extracting data, and this is a great time to take a look on the application that you can always run in parallel and see. It's called OpenBOM Monitor. So OpenBOM Monitor gives you a way to see what is actually happening now, and you can see the uploading is active, but still no files here. In general, you don't need to see this application, but it can give you a great indication about what is going on. So and OpenBOM is currently extracting information, collecting this information about this assembly, gathering files, and will be starting sending CAD files to the Autodesk cloud storage immediately. So as you can see, sending data to the cloud happening. Autodesk App Store is getting this data. Autodesk Cloud Storage, I'm sorry, getting this data, and OpenBOM is updating this information inside of bill of materials. So you can watch this process until it will finish, but actually you don't need to do it until the end. Wait until the end. We can go and we can click on the link. This link will take us to bill of materials. So watch this. It's very important and interesting thing that we are getting bill of materials part list from SolidWorks with previews and everything you would like to expect from SolidWorks bill of materials. Very nicely formatted bill of materials with all information and everything you need. You can enlarge images and everything you would like to do. But now watch this. The data is coming to the cloud storage, Autodesk cloud storage, and as soon as the data is uploaded, you're getting links. So I get this link. So where do you think this link will take me? You're absolutely right. This link will take me to Autodesk cloud storage, where this file is currently uploaded, and you can use Autodesk Viewer to see those files online. I think it's pretty cool. So let me take you back and repeat again what we've seen in this video. First of all, we've learned that plugins for OpenBOM can be downloaded for desktop applications like Autodesk Inventor and Solidworks and many other CAD systems, and you can take a look on what integrations are supported on our website. Second, for integration like Autodesk Inventor, you get the Autodesk Inventor plugin on the Autodesk OpenBOM plugin on the Autodesk App Store, and you can download it from the App Store. Always updated and always include all information about what you need. For other CAD integrations, such as SolidWorks, you can get this integration from integration plugin from the integration panel in OpenBOM. Getting back to this, just to remind you, you can get this list of supported and downloadable plugins from the integration panel. Always you can get there and you can download the plugin. Once plugin is installed, such as Autodesk Inventor, you can configure this plugin using Toolbar. If you don't have this Toolbar in one of the integrations, contact support, because it means something that goes wrong. Now, and the same Toolbar in SolidWorks. So we have integration available for both the systems installed. After you install, you can configure how to extract bill of materials data, what options to use, but most importantly, you can also upload CAD data to the cloud storage, and you can use different cloud storages, Google Drive, Dropbox, many others, but very interesting cloud storages are those that provide you built-in viewers, and Autodesk Cloud Storage is one of them, and this is what I demonstrated to you after we created bill of materials using OpenBOM. This bill of materials has links to the cloud storage. In this particular case, it's Autodesk Cloud Storage, which took us directly to the Fusion viewer, and you can see viewer for the Solidworks files. Pretty cool. So thank you very much. That was Oleg at OpenBOM, was talking about OpenBOM CAD plugins for desktop integrations, and we will talk next time about other integrations, cloud CAD integrations and other things. Thank you very much for listening, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.